Hi friends, welcome to EasyMyEdu.com. In today's video, we will start learning laws of motion. So before we start learning laws of motion, we will have to learn a few quantity before that. So in order to understand the laws of motion, the great Newton's 3 laws of motion, we will have to first understand about inertia, then momentum and then impulse. So first of all, what is inertia? This is a property of object or matter. So what is it? So inertia is the tendency of any object to remain in its state. So let us describe it. So suppose an object is at rest, that means it is not moving, then it will act to stay at rest. Okay, it will be at rest, and if a body is in motion, then it will be in motion, it will tend to be in motion, right? So this is the property of object or matter, due to which an object, if it is in rest, then wants to stay at rest, and if it is in motion, then wants to stay in motion. I can cite an example. So if you are sitting in a bus and suddenly the bus starts, then lower portion of your body goes forward and you tend to lean on the backside. This is because of the inertia. So another example, suppose you are in a running bus and you are sitting, suddenly the bus brakes, then your front part of your body moves towards the forward. This is also because of inertia. The second thing is momentum. So what is momentum? So momentum is the product of the mass of a body and the motion, right, and the velocity. What is it? Suppose an object's mass is m and it is moving with a velocity v, then momentum equals to mv, that is the product of mass and velocity, right? So what will be the momentum of a body as it's at rest? The momentum will be 0. Why 0? Because here m will be some value. Suppose the mass of an object is 1 kilogram. So if it is in rest, that means the velocity is 0. If it is in rest, that means the velocity is 0. So if velocity is 0, then mv equals to 0. That is, momentum of a stationary object is 0. Now what is impulse? So in order to understand about impulse, you will have to understand about the force. So what is force? When a force is applied on a body, then if it is rest, then it starts moving, and if it is in motion, then either if the motion will be increased or it will be decreased. So when a body is in motion, suppose an object of mass m is already in motion v and an external force F acts on it for a time of t, then the motion or the velocity of the object will change. Suppose at the beginning the velocity is v and after that the velocity becomes u. Then impulse is the change in momentum, that is m into v minus u. That will be the impulse, and it is measured as the product of force and time. That is, for what force the momentum changes? F, and for what time? T. So F into T will be the impulse of that object. Okay. So for more videos on the laws of motion, you will have to follow our later classes. So come visit our website easymyedu.com. Thank you.